Dinner's Cafe because it has regular food but also vegan options. Yes. I think I'm getting a covered wagon and a vegan French toast.
I'm getting eggs.
Easy. Alright, we're gonna start our day. Yum! Welcome to the Sea Breeze Court in Cannon Beach. Smells like laundry. All right, we're gonna go explore Cannon Beach.
Sorry, you have to wait.
I offered to help. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. What do you think, baby?
Good.
So, look who we found.
Hello.
Hello.
So
That's Mom.
like,
This is the gallery. Wait, that was the wrong one. This is the one. All right, we are going on an adventure. We're going to the beach. Beach? We're going to the beach? Beach. Beach time. That's our room right there. Going in. It's super windy. The wind is cold. Did you get some good beach time?
yeah. No.
It's cold. The wind is cold. All right, it's food time. Gotta feed my pregnant wife.
Yeah.
Let's move into one of these houses. Oh, I'm full. Full of vegan tacos. All right, we got stuff to do. Not including you. So, bye.